Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your design size to A4 in Canva, so it is perfectly formatted for printing or for documents you need to share. Adjusting your canvas size ensures your layout fits standard paper dimensions. On your Canva dashboard, click Create in the upper left corner. Then, click that option to continue. From here, click Custom Size. We will be using inches for the dimensions. The standard A4 size is 8.27 by 11.69 inches. You can also swap the height and width depending on whether you want portrait or landscape orientation. Once you have entered the size, click Create Design. As you can see, we now have a portrait A4 design ready to go. If you prefer landscape, you just need to swap the dimensions around. Enter 1169 by 827, then click Create Design. Now a landscape A4 is ready to use. That is how we change a Canva design to A4 size in just a few simple steps. Now your design is ready for printing or sharing in the correct format.